Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of fashion, offering you something beyond the ordinary shopping experience at thrift stores. We all know the thrill of finding that vintage blazer or the joy of discovering designer jeans at unbeatable prices. But what happens after the thrill fades and these treasures need a little sprucing up? Well, today, we're sharing the top 10 fashion hacks to breathe new life into your closet finds, ensuring that your wardrobe remains vibrant and uniquely yours. First, let's talk about tailoring. Clothes off the rack rarely fit like a glove, especially when we're talking secondhand. A little alteration can go a long way. A tuck here, a hem there, and suddenly that oversized shirt or baggy skirt looks tailor-made for you. It's an investment, yes, but one that can transform the entire look and feel of your outfit. Next, consider dyeing your clothing. Fabric dye is an inexpensive way to refresh or totally change the color of a garment. Whether you're covering up a stain or just feeling bold enough for a new hue, a simple dye job can give that drab blouse a brand new life. Number 3 on our list is accessorizing. Accessories can elevate any simple outfit. Consider adding a statement belt, a colorful scarf, or unique jewelry to transform an ordinary piece into something special. It's like giving your outfit a personality boost with each additional detail. Fourth, why not get your creative juices flowing with some DIY embellishments? Think patches, embroidery, or even a collection of quirky pins. These can add personal flair or showcase your interests right on your sleeve, literally. Hack number 5, layering. This timeless fashion trick not only keeps you cozy during transitional weather, but also adds depth and dimension to your outfit. Pairing a thrifted sweater over a summer dress, for example, can create an entirely new and versatile look. On to the 6th hack, shoe updates. Shoes often complete an outfit, but they can be expensive. Instead of buying new ones, consider changing up your laces, polishing them with a new color, or even adding some fabric or decals for a custom look. Our 7th tip is all about fabric glue and no-sew fixes. Small tears or loose hems don't have to mean an immediate trip to the tailor. Fabric glue can quickly mend these minor issues and extend the life of your clothes with minimal effort. Let's talk about hack number 8, upcycling. Sometimes, garments could use a dramatic change. A dress can become a skirt, or a long-sleeved shirt can morph into a chic tank top. The possibilities are endless with a little creativity and sewing know-how. 9th on our list is the power of mixing and matching. Often, we overlook the potential in mixing patterns or textures because they came from separate outfits. Experiment with different combinations to create fresh looks that stand out. Finally, our 10th hack is to share or swap. Organize a clothing swap with friends or family. It's a sustainable way to revamp your wardrobe without spending a dime, while also enjoying the thrill of discovering new-to-you styles. In conclusion, treasure hunting at thrift stores is only the beginning. With these 10 fashion hacks, you can transform your closet finds into standout pieces, allowing you to express your unique style while enjoying a sustainable approach to fashion. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and don't hesitate to experiment with your personal fashion journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.